self-defense is, let me honestly tell you, what our country पहले कितनी बातें होती थी सेल्फ डिफेंस के बारे में और आज जितनी हो रही है, बहुत बहुत फर्क आ गया. Lots of people are aware of what self-defense is, what martial art is. It doesn't matter whether it's karate, kudo, judo, aikido or anything. It's all about self-defense. मैं करीबन आज से 12 साल से हमेशा कितने इंटरव्यू होते हैं उसमें बोलते आया हूँ कि make self-defense compulsory, especially for women. And I will still keep on saying that. And lot of places you will be surprised कि बहुत सारे स्कूलों में अब ये कंपलसरी हो चुका है, बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट स्कूलों में कंपलसरी हो चुका है. एंड दैट इज, आई थिंक इट इज, I feel very victorious about it and I feel very good about it that and it is an essential thing also. And by the way, self defense जो होता है, it is not about beating anybody or protecting yourself. There's something else also which you learn from self-defense, that is self-discipline. You discipline yourself, you discipline your mind, you discipline your body, you understand, you take decisions. जो दुनिया के decisions होती हैं, चाहे वो family के decisions हो या career decisions हो. Once you start learning self-defense, you will understand it slowly. मैं अपना example दे सकता हूँ. I have learned self-defense. And I have used all the kind of things which I know about martial art into my career. How to maneuver my career, how to do things with my family, how to keep my mind cool, how to be शांत रहो, कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, कहाँ ज़ोर आज़माना है वहाँ आज़माओ, कोशिश करो, जहाँ नहीं मतलब कोशिश करो आपको ज़रूरत ना पड़े. Like I would say, Bruce Lee always said, somebody asked him, what is your style of fighting? You know the answer he gave? Nobody knows? Okay, he said, my art of fighting is, my style of fighting is fighting without fighting. It is fighting with your brain. You can fight with your brain so well. And if you do that, you can usko chit kar sakte ho. So that was his way of fighting. Alright? So, I'm glad, but that's it.
Yeah. See, I thought I'd wear a T-shirt which just says everything without saying anything.
So definitely I support self-defense. But don't you think rather than teaching girls self-defense, we should start teaching men self-control and we should start.
जैसे मैंने आपको
No, say na, please. I genuinely feel, and I'm sad to say this, that is almost an unachievable dream. Because you know how it is. I mean, literally we cannot go to every boy and be like, please aisa mat karo. They are not going to be like, okay, nahi karenge. That's not possible. So like he said, if agar halat bure hain to humko hi kuch karna padega. And I mean, God forbid, nobody should have to use these skills on the street, in the road, in the middle of the night. I hope aisa situation hi kabhi na hai. But at least you're prepared. So I feel, like he said, it gives you self-defense. In your life also, it gives you self-discipline, चाहे आप घर में हो, चाहे आप स्कूल में हो, कॉलेज में हो, काम पे हो, at least you feel confident, you feel better about yourself. And hopefully in another 10, 15, 20, 50 years, it's not needed at all. But it's absolutely unachievable, I feel.
Can we give some proper sessions for even men in schools and in boys?
The men who will come for these sessions are the ones who are not going to attack in the first place. The ones who attack and the ones who actually need those sessions will not come for those sessions.
Wow.
Yeah.
Anything else? Anybody from the media wants to ask anything? Are you from media? Okay.
Only media, any media.
The media is
So now
asking
I
some
would
good
just
questions.
request Aditya to say some few words, please. Aditya Sana.
Aditya is too cute to say anything.
Normally I don't say anything here. I just put it on Akshay ji to say, and thank you Pariniti for coming here, because this is an initiative that Akshay ji and I launched. Actually, it was his idea. Because just to tell you how it happened is, one fine day, about December, I got a call saying अक्षय कुमार आपसे बात करना चाहते हैं. Like, am I being cast in a film or something? But Akshay ji and I met someone on the road for 5-10 minutes in a car. He was on his way to a shoot. I was on my way to some event, and he said, Aditya, I want to start off with a self-defense center, which has to be free and for girls throughout whatever age group, whatever, caste, creed, whatever. And I said, Dan, when do we start it? He's like, you tell me when and where. And we decided, I think within 2 months, our setup was done, and we decided to have our first self-defense center here. Mehul has been very kind to help us with all his trainers. I know the names of 2 people who are multiplicated into many Wispy. And there are a couple of more. All of them are here to help, and we started off with the self-defense center. We've hit our 120 batches now. We're starting off in Thane, and we're starting off in Ahmedabad. There are so many people who are coming ahead and helping us. Many girls, many women who are of, say, the age of 60 to 65. Last batch, the lowest age was 5 years old and the highest was about 65. And all of them, you can see equal enthusiasm in all of them. They've been helping. Unfortunately, as you said, the time is such that if a girl texts a guy 2-3 times, in his mind he starts thinking, oh, she's interested in me. You know that kahawat hai, hasi to fasi.
मेरी फिल्म भी है हंसी तो फंसी.
Exactly. इसलिए आपको, it's very appropriate that you've come here. And ठीक है, हंसना अच्छा है, texting is good, friendship is good, but if there is a line that you have to draw, of course you can condition the guy at a certain point that, okay, this is thing, but if there's something that is coming onto you, what is very important and what we learn or what we teach here is if you're in a moment where you freeze, you have to unfreeze and think what is happening. The presence of mind is very important in lonely areas, in areas where you work, your workspaces, and not in karate clothes, not in clothes of martial arts, but in whatever clothes you're wearing, wherever you are.
Yeah.
Because Akshay ji and I truly believe that no one is in a capacity to tell anyone else, be it a guy or a girl, of where to go, what time to go, what is the appropriate material of clothes you're wearing. A girl should be free enough to wear whatever she likes, go at whatever time to whichever place she wants to be. And therefore, this center we've started all across, we're getting admissions from. We're starting off in BMC schools very soon because the budget of the BMC has given funds to the schools now, the education department, to have self-defense centers in the schools now. So I will request Akshay ji to have these classes again in BMC schools very soon. And I'm extremely glad that as we're doing this on one end, the other end we saw a rape case that happened was equally brutal as the Nirbhaya rape case, which was last week. But I'm also very glad that the rapists in the Nirbhaya rape case, 2 of them have got the death penalty. Yes. The death penalty must exist for rapists. It should be treated at par with terrorism. And the juvenile who's escaped the penalty, we hope that he will also get the penalty very soon. He should be sent to the gallows. So once again, thank you so much for coming here and supporting us.
Thank you. And I hope you can start these classes in Ambala also.
For sure.
Just for my...
So we have a brand ambassador from Ambala.
Yes, for sure. For sure.
Okay, last question. Anybody wants to ask anything?
Any media? Last question from the
Yeah,
media.
Sumit bhai. Sorry?
जोर से शहरों में I didn't understand.
देखो, अक्षय जी ने ऑलवेज कहा है कि हर एक स्कूल में ये सेल्फ डिफेंस का ट्रेनिंग होना चाहिए. जहाँ जहाँ हमें जगह मिल रही है, कोई भी मदद करने आगे आ रहा है, सपोर्ट करने आ रहे हैं, हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ सेल्फ डिफेंस दे रहे हैं. लेकिन अगर आप हमारे 120 बैचेस देखें तो उसमें सिर्फ शहर की लड़कियाँ नहीं है, शहर की औरतें नहीं है. यू विल हैव पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर इंडिया. सो एवरीवन इज कमिंग हियर. ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ भी रेसिडेंशियल फैसिलिटीज़ है जो एकदम मिनिमल कॉस्ट में है. ये कॉस्ट तो फ्री है, लेकिन जहाँ हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है, जिस स्कूल में मिल रही है, जिस गाँव में मिल रही है, वी कैन गो एंड ट्रेन. वी ऑल्सो प्लानिंग 3-day courses to go as a module camp which can go to every place.
जैसे बॉम्बे थाना is considered to be a city, but we have a women's self-defense center in Buldana, which is considered to be Vidarbha. We have a women's self-defense center in Navsari, which is a 3-tier city. We have a WSDC in Surat, which is a 2-tier city, and we have a women's self-defense center in Siliguri, West Bengal, which is. So we are trying to expand it. जितनी कोशिश हमसे हो रही है, जितना हमसे बन पा रहा है, हम लोग कर रहे हैं.
And Ambala soon.
Yes, Ambala.
All right. right.
अभी अगर आप 2 लाइनें हम सबके लिए अगर गुनगुना दें,
नहीं अभी ये जगह नहीं
ऐड कर लेंगे सब।
क्या?
Alok, he wants us to sing all of them. We'll sing
What
next. Sing the song.
Yeah, this is self-defense
Yeah,
class.
self-defending.
अगर हम दोनों गाए एटलीस्ट मैं गाऊँ तो ये उनके मूव्स मुझ पे यूज करेंगे.
तो सारे गामा थोड़ी चल रहा है. क्या कर रहा है यार? क्या हो गया तेरे को? हाँ.
क्या?
Moves.
ऐसे हुआ तो मूव लगाते हैं.
Okay. So thank you, ladies. Thank you very much.
Let them sit here. We'll take a
Now
picture.
you'll all sit
Yeah,
there
let's
in
do a
this group.
picture.
We'll go in the middle.
हाँ, we'll go there.
Come, we'll go in the middle.
Yeah. Runali?
So you girls be there only.
Uday,
I just